Hey little artists! Welcome back to Toddlers Art Hub. Are you ready to slide into a new fun drawing today? Let's draw a playground slider together, step by step, super easy and colorful. Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. First, take your black marker. Let's draw the slider part. It's like a smooth curvy line going down. Great! Now, connect the bottom with a line to finish the sliding surface. Now let's draw two small legs or stands at the bottom so the slider can stand up strong. Nice and steady. Time to draw the ladder we climb to use the slide. Let's draw two A shapes behind the slide. These are the ladder legs. Now draw a few horizontal bars between the A shapes. These are the steps for climbing.
La da 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 dee.
Nice job, everyone. You are doing amazing. Let's make the drawing bold and sharp by going over the lines again. This will make our artwork pop out more. Wow! It's starting to look like a real playground slider.
Yay!
Now it's time for the most exciting part, coloring. Let's grab our color pens. Light green color.
Wow!
Light blue color. Blue color. Purple color. Brown color. And we're done. Doesn't it look awesome? You did such a great job today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more fun drawing videos at Toddlers Art Hub. Bye-bye, little artists. See you in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.